Welcome to making arepas. First you're going to get your meal, and I'm going to show you a bag of it, and it's a pre-cooked cornmeal. Hydrate it with 2.5 cups of lukewarm water and 2 cups of your cornmeal base. And this is what it looks like. And you'll notice on the front it says pre-cooked. So you're going to leave that to hydrate for 30 minutes and then form them into patties. Put them in a medium heat skillet with some oil. Time them 4 minutes each side, and they will come out nice and crispy and golden like you see right here. While you're getting those fried up, put your oven onto preheat for 350 degrees, and you're going to bake these off for 15 minutes after you've fried them. Be sure they're on a little rack so that lots of air can circulate around the patties. Put your timer on. When your timer goes off, let them sit for about 10 minutes before you decide to cut them, so they'll be nice and fluffy on the inside like you see mine are. And then you can stuff them with a variety of things. You can stuff them with refried beans and cheese. You can stuff them with meat. Right here I've stuffed them with a walk-in cheese. Enjoy!